demo is called Sink or Float. It's a way to introduce the concept of density to my 8th graders. We have a tank of water here, a 100-gallon tank filled with water, and we can submerge objects in the water. And since water's density is 1, if the object floats, its density is less than 1. If the object sinks, then the object's density is greater than 1. So it's a great way to introduce the concept of density. Now, on day 2, tomorrow, we'll calculate the density of objects using the equation density equals mass divided by volume. But for today, we're just simply seeing whether the object sinks or floats, and that'll tell us whether its density is more, greater than, or less than 1. Okay, so the first object we start with is a golf ball. So make your prediction, sink or float, and the golf ball sinks in water, greater than 1. Next object we have is a baseball. A baseball, when submerged in water, baseball floats barely, so its density is just less than 1, probably like 0.95, 0.96. Baseball. Okay, next we have a bouncy ball. Bouncy balls float. Okay, next we have an iPhone 13. An iPhone 13 sinks. Try to get that out of there. Get the iPhone out of there. iPhone sink in water. Next object, and really the main event of this, is the bowling ball. Really heavy. It's like a 13-pound bowling ball. Make your prediction. A bowling ball. Bowling balls float in water, which that always amazes the kids because you wouldn't expect a heavy bowling ball to float in water, but its density is less than 1. Less than 1. Get that out of there. And finally, we have Coke, Diet Coke. Place them in water, and we will see that the Diet Coke floats and the regular Coke sinks. And then we discuss what's in the Coke, the regular Coke, that makes it sink or something. Okay, so there we have it. Float versus sink, great way to introduce the concept of density. Give it a try with your kids, fill up a tank with water, pick different objects to submerge, use that to introduce the concept of density. Have fun with it. Let me know how it goes. Take care.